what's up, everybody? It's JD, and welcome back to Who's Your Daddy? I'm the daddy today, and who's... Look at this baby. Is that baby Daddy? Daddy! Wait, are you saying daddy or daddy? Daddy? Daddy! Come here, little daddy. Come here.
Oh, I can play the piano?
Nah, you can't do that. Fuck that. Give me that piano. What the fuck? All right. Hey! Hold on, let me come down and play with you. Hold on. Hey!
Hold on, I'm about to... Man, get the
Look
fuck
at this shit. Where you going?
I'm about to go kill my damn self. What up? It's Dashy, and welcome to Who's Your Daddy? Right now, my daddy is J to the Decimal. Pause? I don't know. But anyway, I've got a lot of requests for this fucking game. Dashy, play Who's Your Daddy? Well, here we go. Never play Who's the Daddy. And JD, you a creepy ass motherfucker right now, son. Say what up to the people. Yeah, you creepy.
I'm creepy. You called me your daddy just now. I'm the creepy one.
Look at your shit.
JD, my
what
daddy.
The fuck? That's out of some horror movie shit. Okay, let me run. Hold on.
Look how fast I am.
Wait, that is
how fast out this bitch.
Hey. Oh shit. Okay, I'm the baby. Here we go.
I'm the
daddy. Daddy. Here we go. Okay, let me kill my fucking self.
No. Hey, actually, I'm about to save you, little guy.
What? Okay, hold on.
I love you.
Right
I love you, little guy.
Right no, fuck you, daddy.
No.
Daddy. When it's time to buy me diapers, you buy me the cheap store brand diapers. This motherfucker don't even buy. What the fuck is the thing sound?
Yo, come here,
what
little guy.
Chill with that. What is
little,
the thing?
What?
Thing? What is that?
I don't know. Don't
when
mess
it goes
with anything.
Thing. Hold on. Oh,
wait, no. Come here.
Drink that.
Come here.
No. I'm drinking bleach, daddy.
No.
Daddy.
No. Fuck.
Daddy, what's going on, daddy? Okay, I'm already dying.
Oh my God.
I keep hearing like deep. You don't hear that?
I don't know what you're talking about.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
Look.
What the fuck is that?
Hey.
There it goes right there.
Oh, that's it. I don't know. It might be an alarm clock, but since you want to die so bad, here you go.
What you got? What the fuck is that? What is that shit?
Lighten your ass up, boy.
What is that shit? I can't fucking move.
You over here playing games, messing
with me. What the fuck is that?
Look.
This bitch look like he took acid. That's what
now listen to me. Your mom, she left me in charge, and now mama left me in charge. And since you want to play these games, I'm about to.
This motherfucker.
Hey, you remember that song Busta Rhymes? You remember that Busta?
Now I'm scared, bitch.
You remember that Busta Rhymes song? That one that went.
Yeah, I remember that song.
About to light that ass on fire. Oh,
I died anyway, bitch. Shit.
Oh shit! All right, y'all. Round 2. We about to get it. I know exactly how I'm gonna die as a baby. It's gonna be epic.
Is it kind of fucked up that I want to just kill you?
Yeah, a little bit. Oh shit!
Look at this
Get out of here, crazy.
Look at this little motherfucker. Can I just stomp on you?
Yeah.
Okay, hold up.
Why you so fast?
Let me watch your bitch ass.
Goo goo. Gaga.
Talk about some dada goo goo shit, bitch. I want to actually kill this bitch.
Fuck you too, daddy. Hey.
Hold on. Matter of fact, you know what?
Nah, you gotta be a good daddy. No.
You know what it is?
Daddy, don't do it.
This how we gonna play it.
Please,
this how we gonna play it.
No, I'ma hide.
I'm gonna try to kill you first.
No, daddy, I wanna live.
That's how we gonna do it, J Dizzle.
Daddy.
I know where you at, bitch.
No, I wanna live.
I know where you at.
I'm going to Narnia, bitch.
Can you douse yourself in that?
Fuck you. Hey, I'm going to Narnia, bitch.
Can you please douse yourself in that?
I'm going to... Oh, shit. Can you see me?
My boy, can you please douse... There's a fucking secret door for real.
Hey.
I thought you was fucking around.
I'm going to Narnia, bitch.
Narnia, bitch.
I'm out. I'm going to Narnia, bitch.
Where the fuck are you going from there?
I'm gonna...
Yo, when I'm a baby, I'm going there because that shit look like fun,
I'm gonna stay... I'm staying
safe. Let me see
safe.
what they got in the fridge. They got some good food? Let me see. Okay.
Oh,
where
shit.
the fuck are...
Oh, Dad, no.
Your bitch ass.
Oh, shit.
Okay, hold on. Let me see how I can kill you. Oh, okay. Now I know where that
what's
leads.
up? Oh,
put that
shit.
bitch inside the tire.
You can't turn...
Hold up.
You can't turn the car on with me under it, can you?
I don't know. You're under the fucking car?
I'm out of here, Dad.
Open the door.
Get out of here.
Open the door. Okay.
Daddy's crazy.
Turn the brake on. What does that do?
What?
So can I push it?
I don't know.
I just did something to the brakes.
Oh shit! No, Dad, I'm on fire, Dad!
Where are you?
Dad! Dad!
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, can I push the car now? Yo, what do you do with the car? I took the handbrake off.
How the fuck did I get lit on fire? here? Did you leave the candle right
I left
next?
the candle next to the motherfucking gasoline, bitch. That's how you make fire, shaft. Here we go. Yo, I can't help but dance to that little music. Okay, here we go. Okay, come on.
Now look, I'm gonna baby-proof the whole house. I actually want to protect you.
Oh yeah, is that true?
Hey,
okay,
stay your little ass. Stay your.
No. Don't worry about it.
Hey, stay your
That
little.
move. You stepping on my shit.
Shit.
You're trying to protect me, but you stepping on my shit. That doesn't make sense.
What is this?
Okay, here we go.
Power
Let
outlet.
me kill the fuck out
No.
myself.
Where you at?
Okay, here we go. About it.
Oh shit.
Don't worry about it.
Shit. Okay, power.
Don't worry about it.
Okay.
Don't worry about it, Dada.
Okay.
Don't worry about it, Dada.
No. Hey, you
Don't
ain't
worry
going
about
in.
it,
You ain't going to Narnia on.
Don't worry about it,
Hey,
Dada.
fuck that.
Don't
Come
worry
here.
about it, Dada. Don't worry about it, Dada.
You're not
Don't
going
worry
to
about
Narnia
it,
without
Dada.
me. You're not going without me.
Oh!
You're not going without me. Stay your
Yo,
little
hold
ass
up.
in there.
Dada! I didn't even know I could have gone in this
Stay
shit.
your little ass in
Okay,
there.
hold up. Let's see. I'm gonna kill myself. Move, bitch.
Chill.
Okay, under the car. Can I do something under the car to kill myself with?
Nah,
Maybe
you just.
turn that bitch on, the exhaust. Okay, paint. Can I do something with this? This is paint.
Hey, no.
I
What?
drank this
No.
I'm drinking
No.
the fucking, what is that?